Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones AKG K361-BT with your MacBook. You have to start by click at this Bluetooth icon at the top, or if you haven't it, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Now go to the settings. And after that, right here at the left ear cup, we have this slider, so slide up to on position to turn on your headphones, and now we can see that it's blinking, so it means that it's enter to pairing mode. And now we should see it at the device list. Now click connect near to your headphones. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!